U MP bertemai ke Kongres na Tura usaleng Sangma, ula kena bau menteri rangba ke Assam uhimanta biswa sarma, ula dan ke jingshitom ke bakta ya ke bor perkhat perdan, da ke bekeno ya ke niam ne balang, kum kedau, halor ke jingsha remno ki paralog senrop NDA, balayalam da ke BJP, hakani ke Lok Sabha election ke badang syudam. Habakeren syakilat partai kubor hakashipau terik jeliu, u saleng ulaong, u CM ke Assam dala dehi ula keren syapang kanyam hakapor yalap election. Pilayo i kumnob u CM ke Assam ula le hakabaya day bat barok kito ki kenhun senrop niam. Kumta balay ban keren tan halor kane, namar layo i ba ula don ru malumala ka jingktah khlieh ong usaleng. UMP Tura ula ongru ba usarma yala dehi ula keren syapang kaniam hakapor ba ulej ban yalap election bat hasyua kane ula le ru yaki kam thombor persya eki nong shong ki badai ki muslim nalor kata ula ongru philayo ihi peleng kumno balei u himanta un keno menta ya kaniam ha kajing shisha umdei ban keno e kaniam dena kata kadaw nga ong hapi ba menta le se ula kata khlieh yala dehi ulayay beteng ya kaju kesinjam ya kaba ula keren persya kam hasyua. Pila dep lupa ban yo iya kata. Ula ong ba umdon kam ya kane ya katai. Ula keren peleng persya ya ka jingtre kam jong ka wei ka kenhunyam. Menta kumno unla ban keren ba utip ya ka Meghalaya lane ka Manipur Nagaland kibala pendon kam ya kibakum kini kesinjam ula benrap.
So there was no such agenda. It was a truth that we have spoken. For example, now we talk about the Manipur issues, we talk about the minority issues, we talk about no issues happening in and around. And then moreover, the negligence of the state government and the local, the MP then. That's what we have just tried to flush out and then speak the truth. We didn't make any promises or make an agenda, but the thing is that we made promises that definitely we will be looking after how they try to bulldoze our Christian community and then all the minorities and all other sections of the people, not only within the state, outside the state also, and then within the country. You see, some CM himself has talked about the religious during the election. Have you not seen that one? That they will try to do away. You have already seen about how Assam CM has already done away with all those religious areas. Okay, now why to talk much about it? Because I think he's becoming a little bit of mentally disorder. He himself has talked about the religion during the election campaign, and before that also he has done away with lots of Muslim communities. You have seen it openly. So why he is blaming the religion right now? He should not have blamed it, I think. That's why I'm telling you, he might be having some mental disorder regarding this one. He himself is repeating the same which he has already spoken against it before. You have already seen it. He said that he doesn't need Mia, he doesn't need this and that. He was speaking openly against the functioning of this particular religious doctrine. Now, how can he speak that that Meghalaya or like Manipur, Nagaland has played those kind of role? That's why. This is the simple reason.